Welcome to Trang An Scenic Landscape Complex. This beautiful complex is located near Ninh Binh, Vietnam, and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's renowned for its boat cave tours and has been ranked by the government of Vietnam as an important national monument. The complex stretches over more than 5,357 acres on 8 communes in the Hao Lao, Vien districts in Ninh Binh City. The complex is an unusual river system, being rain-fed only, and is completely isolated from the surrounding rivers in the surrounding terrain. Come explore this beautiful complex with us. Let's go. Thanks for stopping by. Welcome to the Rocket Experience Vietnam from South to North series. We are a family from the States traveling Vietnam in search for our new home. Join us as we venture through this truly magical country. We hope you enjoy your stay with us and consider subscribing to our channel. We just got here to Trang An, and it's pretty nice. You've got a nice view of the mountains down here. They've got a lot of like souvenir shops and coffee shops down here, so it's very touristy. We're about to go buy some tickets to go on a boat that'll take us around the Trang An Reserve. So we're gonna check that out here in a few minutes, but we're gonna go buy tickets first. Just got the tickets from the ticket booth. So the tickets are $250 per adult and $120 per kid. So Ethan was only like $120. So So we just bought tickets to go on the boat, and this is where we're going to get on. And they're basically just going to take us around the park, as you can see, around the park, and we're just going to see the sights. So when you come here, you actually have 3 options. You can either do Route 1, Route 2, or Route 3. We chose number 2, by the way. Okay, so this will be, she'll be our driver today, and then we're going to be hopping on this little boat. So we're on the boat, and there's our driver paddling for us, and it's really nice actually. Really nice. The water isn't actually too deep, it's pretty shallow, but it's actually really quiet out here. I like how they don't allow motorboats, so that way it's more natural. Like it's actually really nice. You can actually just hear nature. So they've got paddles here. So we're gonna help her paddle, which is kind of cool. So we're gonna be paddling the boat also. just got dropped off. We're gonna go check out one of the temples. We'll take a look, but so far, this is probably one of my favorite trips so far. We just finished the boat trip. Man, loved it. Loved it. One of the best things that we've done on this trip.
It's actually just one of the routes. So Mark is like, oh, let's do all three. But we're probably we might check out Bích Động, which is similar.
Yeah.
We like the experience so much that we want to do something similar again.
Yeah. The experience was really good. Like I said, it was 850,000 for all four of us, which isn't really bad a lot. Like it was like I would probably say if you break it down, like $30 to do that. Really, really, really nice.
Really
nice.
Worth it.
You're gonna enjoy it. You get a chance to see all the the landscape. The water is really super clear, and then you get to check all the ancient sites. So just that alone. Remember, this was all built in 1200 AD. So really, really cool. Oh,
not
second
AD,
thing.
Just 1200.
Yeah. Oh, really cool is you see this over here, because over here you can actually eat if you wanted to, if you're hungry. So after you get off the boat, they do have food here. We're gonna go eat out, try to go get something in the city, but you can eat here. There are food options. What's up, YouTube fam? Hope you guys are enjoying the content. If you guys want to continue supporting our channel, please continue to watch, like, subscribe, and if you can, give us a super thanks and buy us a coffee. And I'll see you guys in the next one.